Do we really want to reach the end of our days and look back having spent 5, 10, maybe 15 years just on our devices?
Alexander Bell is a technology and productivity expert.
Working with clients including Google,
IBM and Warner Brothers.
At some point in your career, have you struggled to focus? Dad! You've never ever struggled to focus. Oh, sorry. They just weren't listening to the question.
What would 26% increase in focus and productivity make across your organisation?
Did I mention WhatsApp messages, Teams messages, Teams calls, emails, news apps, news feeds? We fill our brains with information overload.
And there's research now that shows that actually it's a different part of our brain that is activated when we try and focus on something than the part that runs our consciousness.
So if we think as time as really being our attention, then I think we need to move our attention towards something that I call attention intelligence.
Technology is everywhere and it's involved in everything that's around us. And that can have some huge advantages and benefits, but it can also have some downsides.
How do I get the best performance out of my team? How do I get the best performance out of myself? Find a way to focus better.
That's the opportunity with technology. Not to replace humans, but to empower us so that we can focus on the things that make us human.
Your people are still the greatest asset of your organization.
AI is going to revolutionize pretty much everything. It isn't until we have a human involved that it becomes of value.
If I could give you all one gift today, it would be this. Give life your full attention. Give this conference your full attention. And every conference and every client meeting that you have, your full attention. That's how you win with technology.